Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. I know today I was not able, of course, to upload on the channel. I was a little bit busy, of course, with personal life things. So yeah, excuse me, of course, for not be able, of course, to update you today. But yeah, nothing basically happened. We did not spoke about it anyway yesterday, where we already saw our impulse finishing exactly with the right label as an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think we just finished a wave 5 probably. We can take a look, of course, on the 15-minute chart here. Well, it doesn't look really nice as an impulse because of course we have some overlaps here, but it might be that this is your 1 here as wave 1, and then ABC as your wave 2, and then wave 3, 4, and a 5. But your wave 4 also probably overlapping again with your wave 1. So basically, I don't really like how it looks like the wave 5, knowing that, of course, on the 1 hour chart, it looks like perfect, right? It looks like a perfect wave 5 finishing an impulse as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So probably, of course, we need to watch out a little bit. So what's gonna happen after? Because maybe we got the high for a wave 1 here, and we probably gonna have a wave 2, of course, some drop towards the downside and then starting an impulse again towards the upside. Now, if you take a look, of course, on the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin, we can see, of course, that we have on the 15-minute chart, I don't see any conversions with the price. So that means, of course, we are still tending to be much more bullish rather than bearish. Yeah, there is no even divergence as well. So yeah, it looks like the price is gonna range in its place a little bit, but yeah, probably yeah, we're gonna range a little bit, but yeah, that is not good. Even if we're gonna range, that might be sound a little bit like kind of like weakness, but anyway, we have finished an impulse, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even your wave 5 on the lower time frame is not really nice, but still can be considered. Now on the 15-minute chart, we can see, yeah, okay, yeah, on the, no, not, okay, here we go. This is a sell here. On the 5-minute chart, yeah, also we don't see any diversions. It is a convergence for the bullish and also no divergence or convergence for the bearish. So yeah, I think the price need a decision. So we're gonna range a little bit. There is nothing really interesting. I think that Elliott wave might, of course, take the lead here as finished impulse was the upside. We might range a little bit, but also it can be that we can drop a little bit for a wave too. Now your wave A can be a WXY with kind of a range here and start to unfold, and then unfolding, of course, kind of a, it might be, of course, a creepy wave a little bit because of this long range that it might happen in the next few hours. So yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. Nothing has happened so far rather than just finish the impulse that we talked about it after finishing this WXY. In our triangle, our wave Y here, perfectly done. And here we go. This is our impulse. We would like, of course, to note that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, we are looking for higher. So this is gonna be, of course, your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 5 here in orange. This is exactly what's gonna be this label. And of course, we're gonna finish the wave 3 in the yellow in that way, and then looking for a wave 4 again and continuation towards the upside. So yeah, basically this is it. Now, if we would like just to give more targets, guys, just for a wave 2 as an impulse, I would say, okay, the minimum target is always, as I say, the 0.38 is your minimum, which is 100K. If you remember in the last video, I mentioned that the 100K, this might be the last time we're gonna see it, of course, after wave 2. And I don't mean that we will never see it again. I mean just for this bull run, right? So once we reach the 0.38, it is very probably, of course, that we can dive deeper a little bit and then blowing the prices, of course, towards the upside. But that might be the last time. Yeah. that might be the last time we see the 100K for this bull run and then continuation towards the upside. And by all means, because if we get or reach this price, which is the target for your wave 5 here or wave 3, we might see of course a wave 4, but your wave 4 might not be very deep, as I explained, because you got a very long and deep correction of course before. So your wave 4 might be very shallow and maybe faster of course than this one, because we already corrected very nicely. And it might be very fast even for continuation for a wave 5 in the yellow scenario. And by all means, you will not see, of course, again a 100K so far until, of course, we finish this bull run in the top. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in KGT, of course, and in our Discord community, you are welcome, of course, to check the description below for more details. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Bye bye.